Hello everyone! Good morning, good afternoon mga ka-YouTubers! Eto na naman po ang inyong Mami Sharon in the house. So ngayon, after the house renovation, mag-house hunting tayo. Unang nakita natin ay itong 3 bedroom, around 6,500 Qatar Riyals. But this is good for a bigger family. Kung naghahanap kayo ng medyo maliit, yung 2 BHK okay na yon. So ayan ang kitchen. Meron semi-furnished actually kasi may AC na tapos may ref. Yan, ito yung first room with AC na din. So malaki din yung space, meron na ring built-in cabinet. Tapos, ito yung second room. Ayan. Medyo mahirap maghanap ng bahay kasi syempre it depends on to your liking. Yung security, yung location. So, kailangan malaman din ninyo. Siya ang importante kung affordable ba ang inyong makukuhang house for rent. Kasi medyo mahirap yan sa family. Mahirap na din kasi yung sharing. Ayan, eto pa yung labas, meron din silang garden. So, ito yung isang room. Ayan. So, ito yung labas. So, lumipat kami, nag-check naman kami dito sa Main Khalid. Pero parang feeling ko naman medyo luma. Kasi yung harapan niya, although malaki naman yung space, tapos yung AC ay window type. Ayan. Bago naman ding tingnan. Ito naman ay sa area ng Incarid, mas malapit yan sa Villaggio. So, ito naman yung isa pang flat sa may Binuumran. So, ayan ang kanilang restroom. Ito may hall, tas may kitchen. Okay na din yung kitchen. Pero medyo malayo ito. Ito is around 4,500. Wala pa yung karama. And finally, makakahanap din tayo ng maganda na mas okay na. Okay din yung presyo. Kahit medyo malayo, basta hindi ka dadaan doon sa mga signal, mga traffic lights kasi yun yung nakakatagal ng biyahe. So kung everyday ganun yung may encounter mo, so parang alam mo yun, parang nakaka-stress. We don't want stress anymore. So this is another restroom. Ayan. So maganda din naman. Okay. Kitchen. Okay. Ito, nagustuhan ko tong isa na to. Pero flat siya sa 5th floor sa may alsad. Ayan, may maganda yung window. Hindi siya na-open. Medyo delikado kasi pag may bata yung open na window. So, ito yung kitchen. So, I feel like it's just a made-in kitchen. Super laki naman ang toilet with bathtub. Ito. Ayan. Malalaki naman yung room. Yes. Ang importante lang naman sa akin yung merong area to go around with sa labas. Not exactly sa loob ng bahay. Kasi mahirap ding maglinis. Okay. May mga staff naman ako pero hindi ko pinapalinis sa kanila yung loob ng bahay ko. Ayaw ko yun. Makikita nila kasi it's like, of course, it's my privacy. Our privacy, especially that I have a teenager. Okay. So, dapat ngayon pa lang maghanap na kasi malapit ng uminit. So, I think that's all for today. Ayan, ito 2 BHK. Tapos may 1.5 na restroom. That's the kitchen. Ayan. So, we have rooms here. One room on your left side. And there's another one. Ayan. And there's another one which is the restroom. Okay po. Tapos, babalik na naman tayo doon sa my hall. Papunta ng exit. That door towards facing you is the 0.5. Yung with WC lang siya. Yan. So, pag emergency, importante yon. So, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.